Hi children, now we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter knowing our numbers topic comparing numbers. In this session we are going to learn comparing numbers, ordering numbers and exercise problems. So now there are two types of color apples. So now which color type of apple is more? Yes, right. A red color apple. Good. So next, so here some pencils and crayons are there. Okay. So which is more? Pencil or crayons? Yes, good. Crayons. Okay. So now, how do you find? Based on the count numbers. Yes, right. Now, you know how to compare the two numbers. So in this session, we are going to see how to compare three or more digit numbers. Comparing numbers. Comparing means to examine the difference between numbers, quantities or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another quantity. Let us see how to compare the numbers. First, count a digit of each number. The number of digits are different. We can easily identify more digits of a number is the greatest number. Number of digits are same. We can compare the digit of a extreme left. That is to compare the first digit. First digit is same means move to second digit. Here these symbols are used to compare the numbers. Closed mouth should always be towards a smaller number. Open mouth should always be towards a larger number. Both numbers are equal means to use equal symbol. Let us see some examples. So the first number is 38,924. The another number 3,592. Here the first number is 5 digit number. The second number is 4 digit number. So we can easily identify 5 digit number is the greatest number. Therefore 38,924 is the greatest number. Next 42,23,921. 94,97,464. Here both numbers are having 7 digits. So we can compare the first digit. So here first number is 4. Here the first number is 9. So the second number is the greatest number. Therefore 94 lakhs 97,464 is the greatest number. Next 89,732. Next 84,732. Here also both numbers are having same number of digits. So we can compare the first number also same number. So we can move to second digit. The first number second digit is 9. The second number second digit is 4. So first number is the greatest number. Therefore 89,732 is the greatest number. Next 50,555, 50,555. Here both numbers are equal. Now coming to ordering numbers. First one, ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers in increasing order. So that is, we can arrange the numbers in smallest number to greatest number. Let's see descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers in decreasing order. So that is, we can arrange the numbers in greatest number to smallest number. Let us see one example. The given numbers are 382, 4,708, 4,223, 56,921, 56,223. First, ascending order. In ascending order, we can start with smallest number to greatest number. So the first smallest number is 3-digit number. 3-digit number is 382. The second number is 4,223. Next, 4,708. Next, 56,223. Next, 56,921. Next, descending order. We already know descending order means we can arrange the numbers as greatest number to smallest number, or descending order is a reverse of the ascending order. So we can write easily in a descending order. The first number is 56,921. Next, 56,223. Next, 4,708. Next, 4,223. The last smallest number is 382. Now, coming to exercise 1.2. The first sum. Geet has rupees 45,402, while his friend Anand has rupees 1,45,402. Who is richer and by what amount? So first let us find the difference between amount of Geet and Anand. So that is, amount by Anand equal to rupees 1,45,402. Next, amount by Geet is rupees 45,402. Let's find difference between amount by Anand and Geet. So the difference is 1 lakh. So therefore, Anand is richer by amount rupees 1 lakh. Second problem. On Monday, Sohan sold 4,358 kg of wheat. On Tuesday, he sold 5,435 kg of wheat. And on Wednesday, he sold 4,538 kg of wheat. Let's write sold on Monday equal to 4,358 kg. Sold on Tuesday 5,435 kilogram. Sold on Wednesday, 4,538 kilogram. So the first question, on which day did he sell maximum quantity? So maximum sale is 5,435 kilogram on Tuesday. Second one, on which day did he sell the least quantity? That is, minimum sale is 4,358 kilogram on Monday. Next, a third problem. Put the appropriate symbol in each of the following boxes. First one, 831 and 957. So first, count the number of digits. Here, the both numbers are having same number of digits. So then, compare the digits at the extreme left. So in first number, the first digit is 8. The second number, first digit is 9. So therefore, 957 is the greatest number. Next problem, 1,471 and 4,718. So now count the number of digits in both numbers. Here both numbers are having same number of digits. So let's compare the digit at the extreme left. So the first number, first digit is 1. The second number, first digit is 4. So therefore, 4 is the greatest number. That is, 4,718 is the greatest number. Next problem, 67,542. Next number, 67,452. So now count the number of digits. Here both numbers are having same number of digits. So let's compare the digit at the extreme left. Here first two digits are same value. So let's compare the third digit. The first number, third digit is 5. The second number, third digit is 4. So 5 is the greatest number. So that is 67,542 is the greatest number. Next one, 89,732. Next one, 89,737. So now here the both numbers are having same number of digits and the first four places are same value. So let's compare the ones place. The first number ones place is 2. The second number ones place is 7. So 7 is the greatest number. So that is 89,737 is the greatest number. Fourth problem. Arrange the following in ascending order. The given numbers are 5,555, 55,555, 5,055, 55,055, 55,500. So we already know ascending order means we can arrange the numbers in smallest number to greatest number. So here the first smallest number is 5055. Next number 5555. So next number 55,055. Next one 55,500. The last greatest number is 55,555. Fifth problem. Arrange the following in descending order. The given numbers are 1,089, 10,891, 89,101, 89,001. Let's write the descending order. So we know descending order means we can arrange the numbers in greatest number to smallest number. Here the greatest number is 89,101. The next number 89,001. Next one 10,891. The last smallest number is 1,089. Thank you, children.